My name is Eric Pitts. I work for the payments department at Feig as a market manager. Let's just first dive into certain situations, verticals, where we have requirements for different form factors, where we might not have any space inside the machine because it's a machine that's been there for 10 years and you just have to get on top and basically get a couple of cables in there to get the movie rolling. We then use our cVend plug, we use distance framing, we call this our cVend plug Modular Kit. I call it the mounting kit because basically when you see this as the machine, you just basically plop the whole thing on top. You have no issues with any metal framing because there's enough space. You have everything you need with the cVend plug inside. You have a nice stable encasing. We're talking IP65, IK10, so any usual specs that you would know and also expect from Feig. And this of course helps us then to also build extension boards that enhance the cVend plug, be it with SAM slots, be it with MDB capability, and so on, in order to go into different verticals or different sub-verticals and have then basically different modular setups of the cVend plug, of the Feig cVend terminal family to specifically fit your needs.